Building trust and emotional intimacy over time to get ex back. Rebuilding a relationship with an ex takes time, patience, and effort. Trust and emotional intimacy are key elements that need to be restored for a successful reconciliation. Did you know you can use simple reverse psychology techniques to make your ex want you back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 10 practical steps to rebuild trust and emotional intimacy with your ex. 1. Acknowledge past mistakes. Own up to the mistakes made during the relationship. Apologize without making excuses. This shows maturity and a genuine desire to heal past wounds. 2. Create open communication. Honest and open communication is essential. Let your ex know you're ready to talk about feelings and needs, but avoid pressure or manipulation. Respect their need for space to express emotions. 3. Align actions with words. Words alone won't rebuild trust. Show through your actions that you're serious about repairing the relationship. Small, consistent gestures go a long way in restoring emotional intimacy. 4. Respect boundaries and take it slow. Give your ex the space they need. Don't rush them into reopening their heart. By respecting their boundaries, you demonstrate patience and understanding, which are crucial in rebuilding trust. 5. Show empathy. Listen actively to your ex's feelings. Acknowledge their pain and provide emotional support. Showing empathy helps strengthen the emotional bond between you. 6. Be honest about your intentions. Be clear about your intentions to rebuild the relationship. If you want to reconcile, let your ex know, but avoid pressuring them for immediate commitment. 7. Offer support. Be there for your ex during difficult times, whether personal or external struggles. Your reliable support will help foster trust and emotional closeness. 8. Reminisce positive memories. Revisit the happy times you shared together. Sharing fond memories can help remind both of you of the emotional connection that once existed. 9. Demonstrate growth. Show that you've grown as a person since the breakup. If past behavior caused issues, proving you've learned from those mistakes will help rebuild trust. 10. Be patient and prepared for setbacks. Rebuilding trust is a gradual process. Be prepared for setbacks, and show patience through moments of doubt. Persistence will eventually lead to emotional intimacy. Restoring trust and emotional intimacy with your ex takes time, patience, and consistent effort. By being honest, empathetic, and patient, you can rebuild the foundation needed for a meaningful relationship. Do you want to learn how to get your ex back with this simple, proven reverse psychology techniques that make your ex beg you to come back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.